Let's all go back in time to 2008. Some of you were sitting in class, some of you were sitting in an office, some of you might be sitting at home, but you were all using a computer and you had to save work onto a USB. There was no such thing as a cloud then, but you had to use a little jump drive USB. Let's all come back today. The concept of a USB is practically dead, but the shape and size is not. So you might be thinking, what the heck is this guy talking about a USB for? Well, I'll be talking about this. The Joule. Listen, friends, the Joule is evil.
Okay.
For you to understand why this photo signifies the Joule being evil, I'll explain to you how I started using the Joule and how I quit. First, I'm going to share with you how I started using the Joule, for you to understand why the Joule is evil. So, back in August of 2017, before I moved to LA, I bought a vape. I started off using 3 milligrams of nicotine, which is the lowest dosage, and then I moved up to 6. So after that, I vaped for about 5 months until I went back to Jersey in December of 2017. And my friends and I, to pick up juice, we had to go to the sex shop who sold the juice to us because we were all underage.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a very strange thing. So I bought juice, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to get a Joule. So I bought the Joule, and it all went downhill from there. So the Joule was much more convenient than the vape because it fits in your pocket. I cleaned this. If you guys want to pass it around.
No need to pass it around.
No? There's nothing in it.
No.
All right. Well, the pod, which is right here, is a 0.7 milliliter tank. And the tank has 5% nicotine count, which is 50 milligrams. So I went from 6 milligrams of nicotine to 50 milligrams of nicotine. So each pack of pods is around $15 to $17. And I was going through a pod a day. According to Joule, the pod is equivalent to 1 pack of cigarettes. So after a while, I Jouled for, let's say, 4 to 5 months, same thing as the vape, and I said, I'm spending too much money. So I did some research. I discovered a new vape, which was similar to the Joule. It was called the Soaring Drop. It was much more affordable. The tank was double the size. You got to fill up all the juice yourself. And the problem was, since the tank was double the size, I was smoking now 2 packs of cigarettes a day. So, how did I quit? I'm going to tell you how I quit so you understand why this device is evil. So I went to Lebanon this summer. I came back at the end of August, and I decided I'm not going to buy another bottle of juice. I said, I am done with this. But I went from smoking 2 packs of cigarettes basically a day to trying to go to none, trying to do cold turkey. Didn't work. When I was in Lebanon, I actually bought a couple packs of cigarettes, and I went from smoking 2 packs of cigarettes a day to 3, and just recently, none. So, in conclusion, the Joule is evil. And this photo does signify how I started and why I quit. So, the USB is a dying concept, but the shape and size is unfortunately still alive. Thank you.